Based on the article, which of the following statements about the ape caves is false? A. They were explored by a Boy Scout troop. B. They were formed about 2,000 years ago. C. They were discovered about 70 years ago. Or D. They were buried by the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. Let's go through the choices and see which one cannot be verified by information in the text. A. They were explored by a Boy Scout troop. We find proof for this in the third paragraph, which tells us that early explorations of the caves were made by a local Boy Scout troop. Because this fact can be confirmed in the text, it's not our answer. B. They were formed about 2,000 years ago. The third paragraph tells us that the ape caves were formed about 2,000 years ago. Therefore, this too can be marked as incorrect. C. They were discovered about 70 years ago. That same sentence goes on to tell us that they were not discovered until 1951, which, as of right now, was about 70 years ago. This too can be marked as incorrect. And D. They were buried by the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. The text makes no mention of the ape caves being buried by the Mount St. Helens eruption, and even tells us that I could have safely watched the cataclysm a mere 4 miles away from the entrance to the ape caves. The third paragraph also tells us that, in fact, the explosion sent ash in the opposite direction from the caves. Because this cannot be proven in the text, we can mark D as our final answer.